Hello there and welcome back again to my channel. So for today I am just going to do a dip with me video, and this time I just cut my nails short so that there's a variety, not just like medium to long nails all the time. So yeah, let's start with the application. The first color is from Revel nail. It is called Eucalyptus. This is really one of my favorite colors, solid colors from Revel nail. So I'm going to apply this on my thumb and on my pinky finger. And for the liquids, I'll be using the Mani Boss Tip Base and Activator. So I'm going to start first with my pinky finger, and I'm just making sure that I don't apply too much dip base, because sometimes when you get used to having medium to long nails and then suddenly you chop your nails into short nails, you have to also adjust the dip base that you're going to use. So yeah, I'm just controlling it by doing like thin layers so that it is also not bulky on my nails. And I also forgot to mention that I do have a thin layer of builder gel underneath, just to have that foundation and strength that I need. And also, please excuse my voice. It is still not 100% okay. I still have difficulty speaking or talking. That's also the reason I don't have video last week. I just decided to rest my voice because every time I speak too much, it makes my throat super itchy. And I really don't have allergies before or the past years, but this year I developed seasonal allergy since it is spring. So yeah, that's just a quick update, and the reason also why I am not super active lately, but hopefully I get better soon and be back to my usual routine. So yeah, I just applied this color, and I did a total of 3 layers if I'm not mistaken, and this is how it looks like. So now let's move on with the next color. It is also from Revel nail. This one is called Veronica. This is just a regular French white color. I'll be using this on my pointer and ring finger, and it will serve as my white base for my decal later. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this and I'll be back. So this is after I applied 3 layers of the white dip powder. So now let's proceed with the glitter. I'll be using GIGI'S Nail Co. Marble Dip color. This one is called Singles You Up, and I'll be applying this on my middle finger. So this is after I applied the glitter, and I just also encapsulated this one off cam, and now I am going to activate. So after applying the activator, I'm just going to file, shape, and buff off cam, and this is how it looks like. So now let's apply the decal. This one is from POSHY Nail Design. I'm going to put a link of this decal in the description box, as well as all the products that I use in this video. And now I am going to use RITZY Dip's gel base, or you can also use sticky base coat from Neology. But if you use gel base, make sure to cure it in the lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds. And after curing, I'm just going to use this clear jelly stamper from POSHY Nail Design to help me apply the decal. And that's it. It's already in there, and I'm just going to do the same on my ring finger, the same process. Alright, so I am done applying the decal. I am now going to top coat, and I'll be using this RITZY Dip's gel top coat. And then I am going to fully cure this in the lamp for about a minute or two. After making sure that everything is cured, I am now going to apply cuticle oil. And I am finally done, and here is the finished look. This manicure is giving me like wedding vibes, and I really love how this turned out. So yeah, make sure to check the description box. I'll be putting all the link of the tip powders and the decal in there. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for bearing with me. I hope I'll be back really soon. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye.